Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Happy Monday to you. I hope you are well rested from the time change if you are here in the United States. Uh, I'm drawing this a couple of weeks prior to the actual event, so I'm feeling fine today, but I'm sure on that Monday I'm going to be tired. Like jet lag, right? Okay, let's do something from Alina's deck of cards. Um, you guys still have one more week uh, to get uh, your entries in for the giveaway, the 30,000 subscriber giveaway. Link is going to be in the description below. All the rules are in there. I will not contact you in any other way besides through the official email on that contact form. I will not contact you through WhatsApp, LinkedIn, uh, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, anywhere else. I will not. If you win, I will contact you through the email and I will ask for your mailing address. I will not ask for money ever, ever, ever. If you ever see me ask for money, that is not me. At this moment, I'm not selling things other than the things that are linked in the description box below. There are some links to affiliates. There's some links to my Amazon store. There's links to my Teespring shop that nobody ever buys anything from because I never update it. So but that's it. I'm not going to do other things. We're going to do this one, Plumosa. Let's zoom in on that. Looks like it's a comma, like a 9 kind of. But then you're going to go 2 more, and then a little triangle filled in like that, and a circle. So it's going to look like that. And then she's got them all. I was trying to make that bigger on a piece of paper. That's silly me. Let's zoom in. See? She's got them in here. And then she's added some leaves. That looks cool. Plumosa. So we're just going to give that one a spin. How do we want to do that today? I don't know. Let's do a little one. I haven't done a little page in a long time. Those are in the wrong pile. Let's do a bright orange. Oh, that's fluorescent. Okay, the camera can't even pick it up. It's so fluorescent. I want to draw over here, but that's not anywhere near where my camera is. So let me scooch my camera over. Scoochy, scoochy, scoochy. So that you don't end up off screen because it's so small. Alright, let's do this. Let's draw, I'm going to draw some of these 9 sort of shapes. Let's start with it. It's in the middle, close enough. Let's do it about like that. We're going to start with these. All right, we're going to start with that. Let's do it. Something like this. I'm going to start with that. then it's going to have one here and one here. We're going to make a triangle like so. And we're going to put a little round one right there. I think that's how it's going to go. So we're going to go one here and one here. Little triangle like so. And a circle. One there, one there. Triangle like this. And a little circle. My things are a bit more curvy than hers, but that's okay. We're not doing the patterns exactly, we are just being inspired by them, right? Okay, and now I think I'm going to try it the other direction. Lower. Let's do that. Oops, you're off screen. I made circles around. You were off screen. Sorry. I'm just going to do the same thing, but coming from the inside from the other direction and much smaller. Okay. Do we want bigger ones now? Maybe. I'm going to erase on my pencil and see what I feel like. I feel like I want more. I feel like I want more. Want another one out here. Let's do one more out here. Now we're going to come this, which way? This way, I think. A little more straight. Can you see? No. That's my problem when I use a little one. I tend to end up off screen. I apologize for being off screen. You don't have to yell at me in the comments. I know I went off screen. And for someone who yells at me in the comments about being off screen, and I will know that you didn't watch the whole thing, because I realize I'm off screen. I'm sorry. That's good. I like the movement and the shape of that. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Alright, let's do a little shading, maybe a little highlighting. Where'd my pencil go? I have so much on my desk. There we go. This will work. We're going to do shading on this side, I think. How do I want this? Shading in there. Like that. And I want it here. And here. Maybe a little there. Okay, now we need the little blindy stump. I need a skinny one. Where's my skinny one? Here's my skinny one. I think inside my little dots in here, I'm going to put orange gel pen. That should make it really pop. And I also think I'm going to put white highlight on the other side. Something like that. You can't even really see how really vibrant it is. The camera just isn't. It is completely trying to minimize that that orange. guys can even see that. Let's do the white. For this one, I'm using my Prismacolor white pencil because it is more opaque than the other one. Okay, I like that. I like that a lot. Are we done? Yeah, I think so. All right, that was a simple, easy one today. Tiny one, but packs a punch. And it's a good one for starting out spring. It is not the first day of spring. When is the first day of spring anyway? First day of spring is not until spring equinox, not until the 19th, but this is pretty close. We're getting there next week. So Plumosa. That's the name of it. Plumosa. You're going to see this on the 11th of March. Giveaway ends the 17th. So make sure you get your submission in by then. 30 people will win a piece of my art. I'm going to give away mostly the bigger ones, but one of these little ones might get tucked in there. You never know what you might get in your envelope. But like I said, I will not be contacting you in any other way other than the official response from that giveaway form. That's the only way I will contact you. I will not contact you any other way, and I will never, ever, ever, ever ask for money to win a giveaway. Never. Ever. So, don't fall for those scams. If you do, I'm sorry. There's nothing I can do about it. I've just let everybody know. It's not anything I have done. You guys have a blessed day. I will see you guys on the next video, which will be Wednesday the 13th. And yeah, go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. And I will see you later. Bye-bye.